Hello friends, if you want to create stunning AI generated motivational stories for your kids, for your school or work or for any other purpose, today in this video I'll show you step by step how to generate images, style them, convert them into video and add a voiceover, everything using AI in just few clicks. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's get started. First, you need to visit the tool's website. You will find the link of the tool in the description. So this is the home page. And now click on Start Generating box in the center. Here you can see RepublicLab AI provides multiple features like text to image, text to video, and image to video. Along with that, it also provides professional headshot generator, AI product advertisement generator. You can use whichever feature you want. So let's start with image generation. Since we want to create a story, the first thing we need to generate are images. After that, we'll change the style of those images using the image to image feature. So let's get started. First, we'll use the text to image feature. So click on it. Now we need to log in. I'm logging using my Google account. On the left side, you will see many models to choose from for image generation. Pick whichever model you like. I'm choosing this one. In this box here, enter your image prompt. I have already written it, so I'm just pasting it here. So I have also prepared image and video prompt formats. So if you want to see the entire doc, just comment down prompt in the comment box and also email me with the same name prompt. So you can find my email ID into the description. Below that, there is a negative prompt box. You can enter one if needed. Next, select the aspect ratio of the image. Once everything is set, just click on generate and here is the final result. Repeat these steps to generate all of your required images. So the next step is image style transformation. So now we'll use the image to image feature to change the style of image. Click on the image to image option. On the left side, upload your image in the provided box. Now you can see variety of styles like Studio Ghibli, Anime, GTA. Choose the style you like. Then click on generate at the bottom. After a few seconds, your style images will be ready. Here is the final result. So repeat all these steps for all of your images. Next step is image to video conversion. So now let's use the image to video feature to convert our image into video. Click on image to video. On the left, upload your image in the given box. Then select the model. Just like before, enter your prompt. Add a negative prompt if needed and click generate. After few minutes, your video will be generated. And here is the final result. So repeat these steps for all of your images to convert them into videos. The next step is voiceover with ElevenLab. So now we'll add the voiceover for your store using ElevenLab. You will find the tools link in the description. Go to the website and log in. On the left side, click on text to speech option. In the center box, paste the text you want to convert into voiceover. Then on the right side, select the voice and model you prefer. Adjust the speed and stability settings as per your preference. Click on generate speech and your voiceover will be ready. The next step is video editing. Now take all your assets, image, video, voiceovers and import them into CapCut or any editing software of your choice. Create your story videos and here is the final result.
एक छोटा लड़का था जो बचपन से तलवार चलाना सीख रहा था। जवान होते ही वो लश्कर में शामिल हुआ। एक दिन जंग में उसने कई लोगों को मार दिया, लेकिन अगले ही दिन वो नदी किनारे जाकर रो पड़ा और सोचने लगा क्या यही सही है। फिर उसने सब कुछ छोड़कर सुकून भरी ज़िंदगी चुन ली। अब वो मुस्कुराता है।
So if you found my video helpful and helping you in any of your professional work, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Your support's keeping me motivated to keep creating such videos. See you in the next one.